Hi guys, welcome back to Lucky channel. Thank you for stopping by onto this video. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. On today's video, I'm doing a detailed video on how to do your eyebrows. This video is for those who are struggling with their eyebrows. Simple steps. I'm giving you details on what you're supposed to do. So, I'm starting by shaving the overgrown hairs so that the eyebrows can pop. So, trim the unnecessary hairs, trim everything. Make sure the eyebrows are neat, they are clean, there are no hairs. So we are gonna trim them. If you don't know how to do this, you can tell someone else to do this for you. So we are gonna trim. It's easy to trim. Don't fear you will cut yourself. Trim slowly. Take your time. Take your time. You see the difference between this trimmed brow and the next one, the other one? There's a difference. So I have trimmed the other one off camera. So let's draw the brows. So follow the step. That's how you know where to put the axe. That is the corner there and the edge. Make sure you follow the steps. 90 degrees. You see? Like that. There, and there. So let's draw this. It's easy. I was showing you how to dot the edges so that if you cannot do it without marking, this is the video for you. You don't have to do that. You can just estimate by just looking at the brows. You can know where to start, where to end, where to put a corner, like that. So highlight, following the dotted points, join the dots, exactly. Then fill in, and make sure you use, for starters, use a brown eye pencil. Don't start with black eye pencil. Start with brown and sharp eye pencil. You can see I don't have much hairs. Blend like that. You need it smooth. Make sure everything is well done and don't overdo. Little is what we want. Don't overdo. So I will draw the other one off camera. I'm using these Pro concealers. One is white and the other one is my skin tone. So I'm gonna mix them. So the eyebrows, you choose a concealer that is one shade lighter than your skin tone. That's why I'm blending this to achieve that blend that is at the center there, because I didn't have the one that is one shade lighter than my skin tone, but you can customize what you have. So you can just buy one and apply that, or you can have two and mix them. So you, after applying, you spread the concealer, the excess concealer, to the other part of the eyeshadow, or you can apply the eyeshadow. Spread everything like that. Spread it like that. Then on top, you don't use the brush like that. Lay it down like that, exactly like that, so that you can have that straight line. You see the line, and don't go too far. Don't go too far, like that. You see, it's easy. It's easy. You just need to relax and free your hand. Let it be free. Let your hand be flexible. Then you're gonna have a brush and spread this to your skin. I'm assuming you are doing this before applying your foundation, so that when we come to apply our foundation, it will blend out. It will blend in. Is it in or out? Any of those, it will blend. So this is our eyebrows. Well done. Uniform. They are uniform. You see, they are the same size. So don't do one that is wide, the other one is slender. Maintain the same size. Maintain a same size. You see, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Bye bye.